Marry me chicken. It is a hot topic all around the interwebs. We're gonna try it. We're gonna do it on our Blackstone griddle. Why not, right? Because we're awesome. I'm pretty sure you'll get a lot of proposals if you make this. That's what I hear. Jacob, you think maybe if you made this, you could get married? I'm already married. Maybe. But you could get married. We're gonna make this after this, and we're gonna see if Jacob can get married. We got some chicken. Chicken breast is what they say. If you wanna do thighs, do thighs. Kind of a thick piece of chicken breast, and we're gonna make this into cutlets. Don't let them fool you at the old butcher shop. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna upsell your butt, okay? They're gonna say, regular chicken, $4.99 a pound. Cutlets, $6.99 a pound. It's the same thing, they just cut it for you. You know, a little bit extra. This right here actually might be all right. Nah, I don't know. It's thin enough. I think we just kind of, I don't have my mallet. We'll just do that right there. There we go. I thought I would have 4 pieces of chicken, but guess what? I don't. Right here, we're gonna focus right here. And this is the cool thing about these trays. Y'all see these trays, I've used them for a long time. Oh, look at there. little surprise. Little spoon action, okay? You can get some Marry Me chicken, a little spoon action there, come on. All right, I like it. We gotta season this bread up, season this up. And why not use a little bit of heifer dust? It's got all you need in it. A little salt, a little pepper, a little other stuff, okay? We're just gonna mix that around. You wanna be able to see it, folks. Make sure you see it. Also forgot to tell you guys, need to season our chicken cutlets as well. And with that, we're gonna do heifer dust. Don't let the name really fool you. You can use this with chicken, okay? Now, got our chicken all seasoned up really well. After you season up your chicken, we're gonna get our griddle ready, and we're gonna do a little shallow frying. I wanna add about, I don't know, get a little couple tablespoons of oil, and then we're gonna add nice knob of butter, maybe about 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna spread this chicken up right there in that nice seasoned flour. Oh, heifer dust flour. Woohoo, boys. I like my griddle. I actually have it that way. I like it pitched towards this way, so that way if I do want a shallow fry like this right here, I can do it. So I wanna take our oil and butter kind of up here. I'm gonna lay that chicken right there in there. Next, right there. All right, and there we go, my friends. Start seeing a little bit of dry up here. You just take your spatula and add it back. Just as easy as that. Woo. All right, we're gonna let this cook a couple minutes on this side. We'll come right back, all right? All right, after about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, we're gonna give this a flip. You can see where that flour has, you kind of fried, a little fried action. And you don't really want to get it, you know, like fried chicken here. You're just looking to get a little bit of a nice crust on that, okay? Over here, see, I got a little bit of garlic right here. And normally I use that garlic, you know, like a paste or whatever, but you know, I thought today we're using regular old garlic, okay? I'm gonna use good hefty amount of garlic. And I don't know if the old girl or boy is gonna marry you after this now, because there's a lot of garlic, all right? Just kind of mash it like this right here. You can add a little bit of salt. That acts as a nice aggregate, okay? Let's head over to the Blackstone. Lay it right there. We want that nice, we want it fragrant. Just kind of saute this garlic. We want it just to get fragrant, get it nice, get it lovely. Don't burn it. Burnt garlic is terrible, very terrible. I'm gonna put this up here in the top for right now. Want to add a little bit of chicken stock just to kind of get some of these bits off of the bottom. Also adds as a nice base. Don't have a whole lot of stuff stuck to the bottom. There we go. Ooh, boys. Want to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. A little heavy. Now, if you want to use a pan, it's fine. I was going to do a pan first, but decided to go this route. Like I said, since my griddle pitches this way. Parmesan cheese. hefty amount of Parmesan cheese. A good half a cup. And we'll see, we'll taste it here in a minute. And we want this to make a nice, that's gonna thicken your sauce up really well. Let's see, we got some red pepper flake here too, and some Italian seasoning. You don't want your date that's gonna marry you, get a big old piece of pepper flake. That'd be bad, wouldn't it, Jacob? Ha! That'd be your luck, wouldn't it? Yeah. She was like, no, Jacob, I can't marry you. It's way too hot.
Because you taught me.
And it'd be like, well, Hussey told me to do it this way, Veronica. Sun-dried tomatoes is the other thing that we need to put in this. And, you know, these things kind of go a long way. Man, they're good. They're packed with flavor. These are the dried variations. There's some that's packed in the oil. I actually like these, probably a little bit better. Add some of those, whoop, right there into the mix. Woo! Get that all mixed in real well. Now, probably need to add a little salt and pepper to this. Well, thankfully, we have heifer dust, and we don't have to do salt and pepper. We just put heifer dust in it. Just a nice little sprinkle. I think we're gonna need some more cream. We're putting some more cream in there. Now, our chicken, it's just over here riding, just riding the griddle. We'll put it right into our sauce that we made right onto our griddle. And then we're gonna flip it. Oh, Jacob, look at this. Son, woo, that's some good old marry me chicken right there. Guys, I'd say this is pretty much it. Look at that. That right there, my friends, is something special. Let's get us a nice pretty plate, put this on. 1, 2, and 3. Woo, 1, 2, 3, marry me. Take some of this sauce. Oh my gosh. Put this over some pasta. Old Maggie girl, she's standing right here. She is just huffing and puffing. She's wanting some of this too. Marry me chicken brings all the boys to the yard. Yes, sir, ma'am, boys, marry me. We're not done. We're not done. Last but not least, I mean, this is marry me chicken, and you want to like church it up a little bit. Oh, Veronica Anderson, Jacob's wife yet to be. She wants to be wooed off her feet. We're gonna do some parsley, and it's gonna put that right over top. Woo, marry me chicken, it's done. Hey, stick around. We got those bloopers right after this. We're gonna give this a try. I got another. You think I should tell them, Jacob, about the little thing down here? Huh? Let's give it a, yeah, we need to. They need to know about it. Let's cut this marry me chicken up. You need to make sure, Jacob, when you marry her, you gotta cut it up. Cut her meat up for her, okay? So I do to my wife. I say, you want me to cut your meat for you, babe? I'll cut your meat for you. Oh man, it's nice. It looks tender. And well, you know what? I'll zhuzh it in that juice.
Tender like my heart.
Like your what?
Like your heart. Your heart.
My heart is tender.
Yeah.
That's good right there. Jacob said it's tender like my heart. Jacob, you want to marry me? No? Okay. That's good. That sauce. My goodness. That garlic. Some sun-dried tomatoes. Man. That tender. That chicken is tender and moist. That's good. I can't stop eating. I can see this over some noodles, some mashed potatoes. Oh, good. Well, y'all, all that's left, them bloopers. Wait a minute. Come here, girl. I need to show y'all my weenie. Come here, girl. Guys, I have to show y'all the new addition to the family. This is Molly. Got Molly, Maggie. She is a little weenie dog. And I wanted to show her to y'all. So, say hey, Molly. Hello. Now, Molly, it's time for bloopers. I don't. So, let me see here. What's 3 pieces? If you're trying to get married, it's 3 pieces. I guess the man can have 2 pieces, right?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. Okay, all right, makes sense. All right, so let's put this down here while I wave it around, cut somebody. Person that's going to be marrying us, Jacob, you know, you cut them. I can see this over some noodles, something's burning me down here. What the heck? It's that pan. For sure.
You know, and then I tell you what, I mean, do you like the option of being able to move it?
Yeah.
Okay, because I mean, they do have like, you know, mount kits too. You can actually mount it to the actual concrete.
Nah. Some.